Meaning of flutter.
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 Flutter. Flutter can have various meanings depending on the context. In the field of aerodynamics, it refers to the rapid and irregular motion of an aircraft's control surfaces and structure caused by turbulence in the air. In software development, Flutter is a popular open-source mobile application development framework created by Google. It enables developers to build high-performance, natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop platforms from a single codebase. Finally, Flutter can also be used as a verb to describe the flapping or tremulous movement of something, like a piece of paper in the wind.